All right, welcome fiends or welcome friends. We are finished with the third page, and I did a little bit like I redrew this head here, which I think had not come out great, and then I added some tones, and of course I added my speech bubbles. So we have our whole comic story taking place here. I dare not stay is what ISEULT says as she steps through the portal. And I noticed that part of her foot got erased. There we go. Doesn't bother me anymore. All right, moving on. Next page, full page splash. And I have two versions of it. One version of it is we just show her falling through this endless void of the magic realm. The magic realm is this world that in my comics is the space between worlds, and nobody survives unscathed in the magic realm, and she won't either, and that'll be part of the story. And there's the canister of argentite. She's dropped it, but actually I did a second version of this. These are just layouts, by the way. My second version is this. I have her falling backwards. Maybe the canister could be just right here. Whoops. What am I doing? There it is. The canister could be just right here, just falling out of her hand here. And then we see the door off in the distance, and the door, like everything will be pretty much black. The door will be white. Maybe there's a glow around it or something. And we see her falling backwards away from it. And this one's actually pretty dramatic as well. I think they're both cool. I'm going to go with this one, I think. Let's take a look at them both again. In this one, she looks like she's kind of skydiving through it. And in this one, she's falling. I think the falling backwards is the way to go. Okay, so we can get rid of version 1. We reduce the opacity. That makes it kind of a gray line, right? And then we add another layer. And let's see if we can start drawing.